Hi, how some actors and actresses lose weight that easily and quickly after gaining weight for specific movies. Let us discuss this topic today. So, we will discuss this in four parts. First part, what is the problem? You might watch some interviews, you might read somewhere in Google, some magazines, or in some Google articles, or you might seen in some Instagram reels or YouTube shorts. You have seen that some actors gain weight for some movies and they will lose weight once the movie was completed. They lose this weight very quickly and easily. For example, if you take Madhavan sir, he gained weight for Rocketry movie and he lost it within 2 to 3 months. If you take Amir Khan sir for Dangal movie, and if you take Anushka Shetty ma'am, she gained a lot of weight for Size Zero movie, but she lost weight when comes to Bahubali. But after the movie was completed, okay. So what generally these actors or actresses say, it is not a that bigger task to lose weight. You can see how we gained weight and how we lost weight that easily. Then why you are struggling that much? Let us make this myth clear. Okay, this is the problem. Then what generally society says? These actors or actresses will say that if you make a certain dedication and if you follow some strict diet plans or exercise routine, you can lose weight easily. That is what we are doing. And similarly, so many people, normal weight people, will see that and suggest these overweight people, okay, look at them, how they are gaining weight and how they are losing weight, but why can't you? And also they will suggest that you should also maintain that same dedication what they are maintaining, and you should maintain some strict diet plans or exercises. Then you will lose weight easily like them. Then what is the reality? Okay, so many people followed the strict diet plans and exercise routines. They might lost weight, but once they stop doing diets and exercises, they are gaining weight. Okay, that is the second thing. We will keep it away. But let us discuss this. If you take Madhavan sir, Amir Khan sir, or Anushka Shetty ma'am, actually they did not follow a particular diet plan or particular exercise plan. They have their different diet plans and different exercise plans. But I can surely say that there is certain other reason why they gained weight, and I will discuss with you. But if what the Madhavan sir diet plan he followed, if the same diet plan followed by Amir Khan sir or Anushka Shetty ma'am, they can lose weight with the diet plan only. They don't want there is no need to make other diet plan or some other exercise routine. Okay, whatever it might be, different bodies will have different things, but I will tell you the reason, and you can link this with that reason. So that is the thing. So many people will start doing that, and so many people think that okay, we should have certain dedication and thing, but the reality is they can't lose weight with it. Here you should understand one thing clearly. I will ask you one question. Did Madhavan sir, Amir Khan sir, or Anushka Shetty ma'am suffered with overweight before making the film? Definitely no. They are normal weight only. Here you have to understand one thing clear, that they gained weight because for the movie, not being overweight for lifetime. The thing why you are suffering with overweight and why they became overweight, they are different. They are not same. They in their mindset, it is very clear that they are gaining weight for a specific reason, and because of that reason they gained weight, and that is a reason they lost very easily. But the reason behind your overweight and obesity problem is different. In their mindset, it is very clear. but in your mindset you are suffering with that. I will make it another thing. For example, if Madhavan sir, Amir Khan sir, and Anushka Shetty ma'am, these three people, if they also suffered like you, then I can surely say that they suffer with overweight for lifetime, and they will struggle with the same diets what you are struggling, and they too struggle the same thing. You can see so many actors in their, I mean, not from the on screen but off screen. If you see that there are so many actors who are suffered with overweight and who are suffering with overweight now. And also in future also, some actors, if they gain weight for specific movie, I can surely say that they can lose weight easily. But the people who in the reality, the people who are listening to them and who are watching that and who starts that strict diet plans or exercise routines, they might lose weight for certain days and by maintaining some consistency or whatever it might be, but they can't lose weight permanently like them for lifetime. Then what is the solution? So the solution here is, one point is clear, that the mindset, the dedication, strict diet plan or exercise routine, what they followed, it is not working for them. Definitely it will work for you also. But the point here you have to understand is why they gained weight and why you gained weight. Both are different. They are not the same. Not the same at all. Then where is the solution? This is the thing my knowledge weight loss model can give you. And it can make you lose weight for lifetime. It will reveal everything, what you are suffering, why you are suffering. And the most important thing, in order to lose weight, you should understand someone how gained weight and how lost weight, or some strict diet plans or some exercise routines, whatever it might be. But you should know before that why you gained weight and why you are suffering with overweight or obesity. And keep in mind, the weight you are suffering with and the weight gained by that actors or actresses or in future might become with some new actors or actresses, they are not same. Okay. Hi, my name is Hemant Jamsetti. I am the founder of Digital Life Care Hub, and I am the creator of this knowledge weight loss model. I am on a mission to help 100 million people to lose their weight and free from health complications without doing any diets, exercises, herbals, medications or any other surgery methods, but only through my knowledge weight loss model. And if you understand what I said, and if it makes you feel that there is something or it was mind blown, then follow me for latest updates, and I will give you some important updates in near future.